Hi there, my name's Steve Garnett. Today I'd like to share some ideas about how you can make the absolute most out of a video clip. Here's 5 things. First one, try turning the sound off. The students simply watch the clip but they can't hear the sound that goes with it, and their task is to write some kind of narrative to accompany the video clip, a silent movie. Second one, look at some ways of using the pause button. Press the pause button and then simply ask the pupils what comes next. Third one, use the pause button again, but this time, once the screen has been paused, either label features or things that are on the screen, or ask the students, write what the picture's showing you. After all, a picture can tell 1,000 words. And then the fourth one, minimise the screen, or if it's on a VCR, turn it away from the pupils. They can hear the clip but they can't see what's on the screen, so their task is to either tell you or write about what they would see based on what they can hear only. And then the last one, cracking away, the fifth one, of reviewing a video clip from before, press the fast forward button. It's a rapid and fast way to review a clip that they've seen previously. So there you are, 5 things you could do to get the absolute most out of a good video clip. Thanks for watching.